Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I am back in my classic fitness happy planner for the week of Friday, April 2nd through to Thursday, April 8th, and I will be using Happy Blooms like I have been doing all week, and I will be using what's left of those. There's not a lot, but I don't need a lot to make this spread work. I literally have 4 stickers left. And I'll be using jewel tone boxes. All right, let's get started. So I've gone ahead and redated everything, and then I forgot to white out this portion. There we go. First and foremost, I feel like I have to be completely, perfectly honest. My eating has been terrible, really this last 3 weeks. I just can't seem to... Let me grab a ruler here. I'm good up until like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then it's just all motivation kind of goes out the window. And I don't know what it is. And I've been really tired, and I think that is related to what I'm eating. So I need to get my head back into, you know, this eating properly. Because yes, I can do all of the exercise, but exercise is only like 20% of it. If I can't get my eating, then yeah. So I'm going to just put this big one here. And then I'm gonna place leave that there. And place this one here. And I know it's going to cover up most of... Wait. What if I actually just put it here? Who says that it has to go in the corner? Then this can go right here. Or can it? Yeah, let's do this. And I can put a box over part of that. And then last one. Then the last one I can probably put in this corner here. And then I have a purple floral where, see, I love finishing pages like this, but now where can I put this where it's not going to be so huge? And the thing is as well, I mean the purple kind of works, but the pink I think works better. There's the pink, although it's not exactly the shade of pink that I want. I'm so picky with my boxes. Like they have to be exact. What am I looking for? I'm looking for like a, okay, so what I originally wanted to do is not going to work. What I think might work though, how many florals do I have left? Those, okay. I'm going to do something that I haven't done in a long time, which is actually put florals all the way down the middle. Because they are so pretty and I don't want to waste them. Yeah, I'll leave those here because there's already 2 big florals up there. So where do I want these leaves to go? Because I feel like if I put leaves up here, it's a bit much. So maybe let's leave the leaves for up here maybe. But that's 2 sticker sheets done. And if you guys aren't familiar with what I do here, so I write down what sticker book they came from and what date I used them. That is not the date. 4/1/21 Happy Blooms. So I know exactly, I know that I'm actually using my sticker books. And I'm getting a nice pile actually. All right, so done with that book. I do not need that anymore. So let's go into some boxes. So what I might have to do here is grab some purple. Purple seems to be the only one that is working in terms of color. So let's find a long purple box. Yes. Actually, now that I'm doing that, I'm gonna go into a different sticker book here and see compressed florals if I can find. That's a nice quote on the side. There's the Believe You Can. And actually that pink might work better. So I think what I'm gonna do I want to do Free as the Flowers? Is that going to fit? It will, but I don't feel like it's the quote that's gonna push me this week. So grow through what you go through. Again, putting it there just to make sure I have room for boxes. Now I know this isn't the exact pink, but it might help. Wow, it is actually a struggle. I'm trying to put stickers down when you've got 2 stickers on your hand. So go through what you go through. And I always like to have a good quote because I find that it's just so helpful. There. Okay. So now I'm going to actually cut that down if I can find my scissors. I cannot find my scissors. Hold on. So I was able to slice through the flowers and then punch the hole for the discs, and I really love the way that that looks. So now I'm going to actually use boxes from Pressed Florals, although this isn't the book that I want to be using. I want to be using the one that has already been partially, oh, oops. Is this the one that's been partially used? Anyway. Okay. I keep forgetting which one's been used and which one hasn't been. So what I'm going to do is actually go in and add some boxes in some certain places. However, I'm already seeing that some of these boxes are just not the size I want them to be. I will make it work. So let's put this up here. And I know there's purple florals on it. I don't mind that too much. And that's crooked. And I won't be able to lift that up. Ah! Okay, that's fine. I'm going to go to purple and put a purple box here because that'll be for my weigh-in. Oh my gosh, and that one's crooked too. Ugh. Then I might go back to the Jewel Tones sticker book and maybe just find just a big box like this, although it would make more sense to put it here on a day that's not a rest day. And then put down something like, remember this there. Then, because the flower, or excuse me, the florals in this particular spread are very pink. They're not so, what is the word that I want to use? They're not any other colors that were part of the stickers on the spread. So I'm going to just put a pink one here with a yes, if I can get that off without ripping it. Perfect. Then I think I'll put one more box down here. I'm not going too crazy with the boxes in this one, mostly because I think it's kind of hard to when I don't know, I don't have the selection of colors that I want. So let's go back into pressed florals, even though I said I wouldn't. This is tough. Tough, tough, tough. But I'm gonna make it work. Pink and purple. What I like about this particular sticker book is that there are so many different boxes, and yeah, the colors that I want are all the sizes that I wanted to use are gone. Poop. I will still make this work. I will still make this work. And then let's grab one more pink one. And then I think I'm gonna call that it for boxes. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure that it's in line here. Okay. Oh, all right, I felt like that was a challenge, but I actually really love the florals. I think it looks a little plain right now, but as soon as I start writing in it, it's going to totally transform the page. All right, so I'll zoom in and show you how I fill in this first column. Okay, guys, so in this first column, or in this first column for Friday, it's by day. So in this first cell here, this first box is where I journal how I feel after a workout, or how I feel just in general about my eating. And then in here, I keep track of my sleep score, which I get from my Fitbit, and then my water intake. And with my water intake, I do try to get 2 liters of water every day, and each of these circles represents 200 mils. Then I start to write in my breakfast. So this is just really pre-planning my breakfast for the week. And granola, and then my lunch. I also try to make sure that I'm somewhat in line and that I'm not crowding everything all in the top part here. And then dinner, excuse me. Dinner tomorrow will be either leftovers. I'm actually just gonna write leftovers. And then in this space here, I write down my workouts. So it is lift for week 7, day 4, which is full body HIIT. And then I have bar blend, week 7, day 5, legs blend. I literally have 1 week and 1 workout left in both of these programs. It's crazy. And then I calculate, or I keep track of how many steps and calories I do. And that's all information I get from my Fitbit. And this Fitbit is a Fitbit Inspire with a new band. I actually bought a new band to go with it from Amazon. And then what I'm also going to write here are goals that I have for the week. I really need to work on goal setting. So one of the things I do want to do is journal daily. And then I will do 2 liters of water per day. And I will try to keep to minus 60 weeklies and earn 150 fit points. And mindful eating. All right, so that is 1 column filled out. I'll go ahead and fill out the rest and then show you guys once it's done. There's the overall finished spread, and like I said, I always love it once it's filled in. One of the things that I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys on is that I am great with my workouts. My eating and taking in my water has been crap. So that's something I really need to work on. And I feel like by saying it in this Plan With Me video, you guys are my accountability. So I really need to get my nutrition in check here. All right. So again, in this top part here, I keep tracker. I do journaling on my workouts or how I felt with my nutrition. Here is my sleep and my water. And then in here is pre-planning. Anything that doesn't happen, I either white out or cover with a sticker. And then in here is exercise for the week, along with keeping track of my steps and calories. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.